Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we always bring you the most insightful reviews to help you make the best choices for your beauty routine. Now, if you're someone who's dealing with damaged hair, you'll know how challenging it can be to find a conditioner that truly restores strength and shine. Today, we're diving into Redken Extreme Conditioner for damaged hair. This product promises to strengthen, protect, and reduce breakage. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Redken is a brand known for its professional hair care solutions, especially for damaged and distressed hair. The Extreme Conditioner is designed to provide internal strength while helping to protect the hair's natural shine. Infused with proteins, it targets damaged areas of the hair to repair and fortify. It also helps in reducing breakage, a common issue for those with brittle or weak hair. This liquid conditioner is biodegradable, making it a more eco-friendly option, which is a nice touch for anyone conscious about sustainability. Now, how does it actually perform? I've been using this conditioner for a few weeks now, and I've been really impressed with its overall results. The texture is smooth and creamy, and it distributes through the hair effortlessly. The first thing I noticed was how it immediately softened my hair. After rinsing, my hair felt noticeably more hydrated without any heavy residue. In terms of usability, it was easy to incorporate into my regular hair care routine. I applied it after shampooing, left it on for about 3 to 5 minutes, and rinsed. The product didn't weigh my hair down, which is important because I have fine hair that can get limp easily with the wrong conditioner. After using it consistently, I noticed a significant improvement in the overall health of my hair. My hair felt stronger, and there was definitely less breakage after combing through it, which is something I really look for in a product aimed at repairing damaged strands. While it didn't completely repair the damage overnight, because let's face it, no conditioner can, it did seem to improve the texture and strength over time. Now let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, the Redken Extreme Conditioner does an excellent job at moisturizing and softening. It also significantly reduces hair breakage, which is a huge benefit for those dealing with damaged ends or excessive shedding. The fact that it's biodegradable is a bonus for eco-conscious consumers. The scent is mild and not overpowering, which is great if you're sensitive to fragrance. On the flip side, there are a few downsides to consider. While it certainly helps with strengthening hair, if you have extremely damaged hair, it may take longer to see visible improvements. It's also on the pricier side, especially compared to drugstore options, so you'll need to decide if it's worth the investment based on your hair needs. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this conditioner is worth it if you're looking for a product that focuses on strengthening and preventing further damage. The formula is rich, and you're paying for the professional-grade quality that Redken is known for. That said, if you're on a tight budget, there are other options that could provide similar results for a lower price, though they may not have the same high-end formulation or sustainability angle. In terms of build quality, the packaging is standard for a high-end conditioner, sleek and sturdy with a practical nozzle for easy dispensing. You get a good amount of product, and the bottle is designed to last a while, especially if you're using it sparingly, as it's quite concentrated. For anyone curious about customer support, Redken has a solid reputation for responsive service. Though I didn't need to reach out for any issues during my testing, the brand is known for handling customer inquiries efficiently. Finally, if you're looking for alternatives, there are more affordable conditioners that may meet your needs. If you're after something with similar protein-rich benefits but at a lower price point, brands like OGX or Pantene offer effective alternatives that might suit your budget without sacrificing too much on performance. To wrap things up, Redken Extreme Conditioner definitely delivers on its promises, strengthening, reducing breakage, and improving shine. It's ideal for those who are serious about hair repair and don't mind spending a little extra for a professional quality product. If you have severely damaged hair and you're willing to invest in a product that works over time, this might just be the solution you're looking for. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Your support means we can continue bringing you honest and informative content. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've tried the Redken Extreme Conditioner, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.